Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we were discussing some question from exercise 5.2. Today also we will continue with this exercise. So here we have question number 3. Find the HCF of the following using prime factorization method. Okay, so we have to use prime factorization method. Okay, so we have 36, 72, 1080. 36, 72, 1080. So we have to use prime factorization method. So first number we have 36 and this is even number. Easily we can divide by smallest prime number, which you know very well, which is 2. Okay, so we will divide. First we will take 2, smallest prime number. When we divide, we will get here 2 1 ja 2, 1 left, 1 6 16, 2 8 ja 16. Okay, so we got here 18. Now again it will go by 2, so we will take 2 again. Now it will go how many time? 2 9 ja 18. Okay, now 9 we cannot divide by 2, so we will take next prime number. Okay, and what is the next prime number? After 2 what will come? 3, and by 3 easily we can divide this 9. So we will take here 3. Okay, how many time it will go? 3 3 ja 9. Okay, now again we will take 3 to divide this 3. 3 1 ja 3. Okay, same way. So this is the prime factorization of 36. Same way we will factorize 72. 72 is even number. Here you can see even place. In even place we have 2. So easily we can divide by 2. So we will take 2. 2 3 ja 6. 1 left, 1 to 12. 2 6 ja 12. 36 we got. Again we will take 2. 2 1 ja 2. 1 left, 1 6 16. 2 8 ja 16. 18 we got. Now again it will go by 2. 2 9 ja 18. Now this will go by this we cannot divide by 2, so we will take next prime number, and next prime number we have 3, and by 3 easily we can divide. 3 3 ja 9. Again we will take 3. 3 1 ja 3. Okay, so this is the prime factorization of 72. Okay, now we will factorize 1080. Okay, so in unit place we have 0, so easily we can divide by 2. So when we divide, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, and take 0. Again it will go by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 1 left, 1 4 14, 2 7 ja 14, and 0. Again it will go by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Okay, 1 left, 1 0 10, 2 5 ja 10. 135. Now it will go by 3. 3 4 ja 12. 1 left, 1 5 15. 3 5 ja 15. Okay, again it will go by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 1 left, 1 5 15. 3 5 ja 15. Again it will go by 3. 3 5 ja 15. Now it will go by next prime number, and next prime number we have 5. Now 5 1 ja 5. Clear? Understood? Now this is the prime factorization of 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here we had seen 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And prime factorization of 72. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now prime factorization of 1080. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, as you can see here. Now we have to see the common prime number in all. Okay, so this 2 is common in all. Here you can see 2 is here. Here also we have 2. Here also we have 2. So this 2 is common in all. Now again here we have 2. Here also 2 present. Here also 2 present. So this 2 also common in all. Then we will check next prime number. And next prime number here we have 3. So 3 is here, 3 here also present, and 3 here also present. So this 3 also common in all. Now again we have 3. 3 here also we have 3, and here also we have 3. Okay, So this 3 also common in all. Now here you can see we have 3 and 5, but here we don't have extra 3. Here also we don't have extra 3. Same way with the 5. Okay. So what we got common? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So this will be the HCF. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. When we multiply 3 into 3 9, 9 into 2 18, 18 into 2 36. Okay. 36 is the HCF of 36, 72 and 1080. Clear to you? Now we have 170, 850 and 1700. For this also we have to find out HCF. Okay, and this is same question number 3, 4. Okay, so here we have 170 and this is even number. Easily we can divide. Here you can see 0, so easily we can divide by 2. So we will take smallest prime number. So when we divide, we'll get here 2 8 just 16, 1 left, 2 5 just 10. Now it will go by 5, 5 1 just 5, 3 left, 5 7 just 35. Okay, now it will go by 17. Okay, one time. Now same way we will prime factorize this 850. So here you can see 0 in unit place. Easily we can divide by 2. So we will take 2, 2 4 ja 8. Okay, 2 2 ja 4, 1 left, 1 0 10, 2 5 ja 10. Now again it will go by 5, 5 8 ja 40, 2 left, 2 5 25, 5 5 ja 25. Clear? Now it will go by 5, 5 1 ja 5, 3 left, 3 5 35, 5 7 ja 35. Now it will go by 17. Okay, 17 also prime number, one time. Now this also we can divide by 2. So we will take 2, 2 8 ja 16, 1 left, 1 0 10, 2 5 ja 10, then take 0. Now 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10. Now it will go by 5, 5 8 ja 40, 2 left, 2 5 25, 5 5 ja 25. Again it will go by 5, 5 1 ja 5, 3 left, 3 5 35, 5 7 ja 35. Now it will go by 17. Okay, 17 one time. Okay, so this is the prime factorization of 170, 850 and 1700. Okay, now we have to see the common prime factors in all. Okay, so first we have 2. Okay, so first we have 2 present here also and here also. So 2 is common in all. Then we have 5 is present here and 5 is present here also. Okay, then we have 17 is present 17 is present here and here also. Okay, so we got the common 2 into 5 into 17. Okay, 2 5 and 17 is common in all. Okay, so HCF will be 2 into 5 into 17. Clear to you? 2 into 5 into 17. So when we multiply 5 into 2 10, 10 into 17, 170. Okay, this will be the HCF of 170, 850 and 1700. Understood? Now we will use method third, which is sorted method to find HCF. Okay, and here we are taking same example to find HCF. So the numbers here we have 16 and 24. 16 and 24. Okay, in this method we no need to divide separately. Instead we can divide both the number together. Okay, so let's solve this. So here we have 16 and 24. As you can see, both are in same place. Okay. So now we have to think the smallest prime number which can divide both the number exactly. Okay, both the number exactly. Understood? So here you can see in 16 and 24 both are even numbers, so easily we can divide by 2. Okay, easily we can divide by 2, so we will take 2 first. Okay, now divide. First 2 8 is 16, give comma, and 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 12 time. Okay, now here we have 8 and 12, again we can divide by 2, so we will take 2. Now it will go 2 4 is 8, now 2 6 is 12, again it will go by 2 because we have 4 and 6. Now it will go 2 time this one and this one 3 time, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Now here we have 2 and 3. Now we don't have any prime number which divides both 2 and 3. Okay, so we stop here and we will find the HCF. So the HCF will be 2 into 2 into 2, this part. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2. Now this is exercise 5.2, question number 4. Okay, find the HCF of following using sorted method. Sorted method is not mentioned there, so you please solve this question number 4 using sorted method. Okay, so here we have question number 2, 110 and 132. For this we have to find out HCF. Okay, so clearly you can see in unit place we have 0 and 2, that means both are even number, so easily we can divide both the number by 2. So we will take 2 first. Okay, now divide. 2 5 is 10, 1 left, 1 0 10, again 2 5 is 10, keep comma. Now divide this one. 2 6 is 12, 1 left, 1 to 12, again 2 6 is 12. Okay, now by 2 we cannot divide both the number. Then we will take next prime number, and next prime number we have 3. By 3 also not possible, by 5 also not possible, 7 also not possible, 9 also not possible. Now we have 11. Okay, by 11 it will go. So 11 5 is 55, keep comma, 11 6 is 56. Okay, now we don't have any prime number which divide both 5 and 6. Okay, so we will stop here and we will write HCF. So HCF equal to 2 into 11, 2 into 11. Okay, this part. Clear? 2 into 11. When we multiply, we will get 22. This is the answer. Understood? Now here we have 3 number, 150, 175 and 200. Now we have to think the prime number which can divide all the given number, that means 150, 175 and 200. Okay, so if we take 2, we can divide 150 and 200, but we cannot divide 175 because this is not even number. Okay, so we will not take 2. Then we will check by 3. By 3 also not possible to divide all the number. Then we will take next prime number, and the next prime number we have 5. And by 5 easily we can divide 150, 175 and 200. Okay, so let's divide. So 5 3 is 15 and give 0, comma, 5 3 is 15, 2 left, 2 5 25, 5 5 is 25, give comma. Now 5 4 is 20, 1 0. Okay, now again it will go by 5. 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35 and 5 8 is 40. Okay, now we don't have any prime number which divides 6 7 8. Okay, at the same time. Clear? So here we got the HCF 5 into 5, 5 into 5. Okay, 5 into 5, that means this part. So 25 will be the HCF of 150, 175 and 200. Clear? So this is how you have to use sorted method in question number 4. Okay, so I hope whatever today I have discussed with you, each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.